Hello and welcome to the TNHM Wonder Facts, Kingfishers Part 3. This video is about 3 Kingfisher subfamilies and the representative TNHM specimens. So, without wasting time, let's dive into the video. The 3 Kingfisher subfamilies are the tree kingfishers, river kingfisher, and water kingfisher. River kingfishers or Alcidinidae. River kingfishers are widespread through Africa and East and South Asia as far as Australia with one species. The common kingfisher Alcidoaetes also found in Europe and Northern Asia. This group includes many kingfishers that actually dive for fish. The representative collection of TNHM are common kingfisher and blue-eared kingfisher. Common kingfisher Alcidoaetes. It is a sparrow-sized bird with wide distribution across Europe, Asia, and North Africa, mainly south of 60 degrees north. It is resident in much of its range, but migrates from areas where rivers freeze in winter. In temperate regions, this kingfisher inhabits clear, slow-flowing streams and rivers and lakes with well-vegetated banks. Common kingfishers are important members of the ecosystems and good indicators of freshwater community health. The highest densities of breeding birds are found in habitats with clear water, which permits optimal prey visibility, and trees or shrubs on the banks. The female is slightly larger than the male. Females differ from males in having orange-red lower mandibles with a black tip. The black bills in males is reddish at the base. Upper parts are greenish-blue and the back and the rump are pale sky blue. The bill base and ear have rufous patches. The throat and the nape has white patches. There is a greenish-blue neck stripe. The breast, abdomen, and rest of the underparts are rufous. The kingfisher call is a sharp whistle and repeated chee sounds. It is brightly plumaged river kingfisher with large head, short tail, compact body, and long bill. About 60% of food items are fish, but this kingfisher also catches aquatic insects such as dragonfly larvae and water beetles, and in winter, crustaceans including freshwater shrimps. Blue-eared kingfisher Alcidomenintine. It is found in Asia, ranging across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is found mainly in dense shaded forest where it hunts in small streams. This kingfisher is almost identical to the common kingfisher Alcidoaetes, but is distinguished by the blue ear coverts, darker and more intense cobalt blue upperparts with richer rufous underparts. It has an orange spot in front of the eye, white ear tufts on the side of the neck. The ultramarine blue head and neck with darker blue bands giving it a scaly appearance. It has white chain and throat with deep orange underparts. Adult male have an all dark bill while females have a reddish lower mandible. The usual habitat is pools or streams in dense evergreen forest and sometimes mangroves situated under 1,000 meters, 3,300 feet of altitude. They prey on crustaceans, dragonfly larvae, and fish. Other insects including grasshoppers and mantis have been recorded. Water kingfishers or Cerulinae. It is the smallest kingfisher subfamily with 9 species, and all 6 American species are in this subfamily. Evidence from the molecular phylogenetic studies suggests that the Cerulean originated in Asia and have colonized the New World. These are all specialist fish-eating species, unlike many representative of the other 2 subfamilies. Pied kingfisher. The pied kingfisher, Cerule rudis, is a species of water kingfisher widely distributed across Africa and Asia. It is a medium-sized kingfisher with a large head, small body, small feet, and long dagger-like bill. It is the largest bird that hovers in flight above the water before diving for fish. Its wing beat 8 times per second, much like a hummingbird. Some species may hover 10 meters above the water, high enough that they would not be spotted by any would-be prey. There are no size difference between male and female birds. It has black and white plumage and crest. Males have a double band across the breast, while females have a single gorget that is often broken in middle. They are usually found in pairs or small family groups. When perched, they often bob their head and flick up their tail. The pied kingfishers live along streams, lakes, rivers, estuaries. They usually avoid mangroves and large swamps. They primarily eat fish. Unlike other kingfishers, pied kingfishers swallow their fish in flight. They also take aquatic insects, crustaceans, rarely amphibians and mollusks.